Elect Donna Deegan will be sworn in as mayor in less than 3 weeks, and today she introduced her executive leadership team. It is a diverse group with many familiar faces, including some who have actively campaigned against some of the public figures who they will work with. Rich Donnelly is on your side with a closer look at this leadership team. And Rich, what is the future mayor saying about why she picked the members of this team?
Well, Anthony, Mayor-Elect Deegan's slogan on the campaign trail was change for good. Today, she said her leadership team is assembled of people who care about Jacksonville and not necessarily political affiliation. These are the members of Mayor-Elect Donna Deegan's leadership team, which she said represented diverse viewpoints and political parties.
Once you get into this space and you have the opportunity to move your city forward, you put the R's and the D's and the NPAs and all that aside, and you work together to get it done.
Deegan praised them for being, quote, outside-the-box thinkers. Several have been outspoken about city issues in the past. Deegan says she welcomes those conversations.
Nobody gets into this to be a shrinking violet. You get into this to make a difference.
Dr. Sunil Joshi will serve as the chief health officer. He was an advocate of school mask mandates during the early stages of the pandemic. Dr. Parvez Ahmad will serve as the director of diversity and inclusion. He has been an outspoken critic of laws restricting academic freedom in Florida. Lakeisha Burton will be Deegan's chief of public safety. Last year, she ran against current Sheriff T.K. Waters, but Deegan says Burton will help build a bridge between JSO and the citizens of Jacksonville.
We want to really robustly build those community relationships that we need to build to be a good partner to the sheriff's office, and that's what we'll focus on.
Former political adversaries in the campaign aren't the only hurdle for this administration. Only 5 of the 19 members of City Council are Democrat. But Deegan says the diversity of her leadership team will aid in stepping across the aisle to work with Republicans on City Council.
I'm thrilled to have people on my team that are used to speaking out and are really productive members of this community. And I think the same is true for our City Council. So I think we're going to work well together.
Last year, City Council approved a record-setting $1.5 billion budget. Already this year, Sheriff Waters is asking for more money in the budget to be allocated to JSO so the department can hire more officers. The city's budget will be the first major task the Deegan administration will have to deal with. Deegan will be sworn in on July 1st and by law must submit her budget to City Council by July 15th. Reporting Rich Donnelly, First Coast News, on your side.